Hello, you are welcome to another segment of my video. This is Gist with K, a YouTube channel where we discuss matters of national importance. I am Dr. Kings, your financial investment coach. I want to take this time out to share with you the next oil money I have discovered. The next oil money. Remember, on this channel, we'll strictly deal on financial education. And today, I want to let you know the next oil money that I have discovered. Listen. There are three sectors that you cannot do without in as much life remains. In as much we are alive, in as much we wake up each day, there are three sectors you cannot do without. And those sectors are, number one, is the food sector, the agro sector. Number two is the medical health sector, and number three is the education sector. You cannot do without these three. They are more than essential to our day-to-day living. Okay, listen. Agro sector, no matter the level or weight of poverty in town, people must eat. No matter the high cost of commodity in the market, people must eat. They will look for a way to eat. So with this, you will see that the agro sector will keep traveling part time. Nothing will stop it. There is no time or age to come that you say the agro sector has gone moribund. It will never happen. Reasons being that in as much you are living, you need food to sustain your health and to maintain longevity. Number two is the health sector. Listen, no matter how wicked or stingy a person is, when you hear that your child is sick, you must definitely run around to get medication for that child. And that is what makes the health sector paramount. That is what makes them crucial. That is what makes them you can't do without them. Okay, everybody takes drugs when you are not feeling too strong. When you are feeling ill, you go for medical examination, and some drugs for treatment will be prescribed, which you adhere to recover your health properly. The education sector, which is the last, is a sector that we cannot do without. Even most of the illiterate parents that didn't go to school, sorry for using the word illiterate, the parents that didn't go to school, many of them in today's world send their children in the most expensive school. Reasons being that education they couldn't get, they want to give that best of education to their children, no matter the what, no matter the cost. I was discussing with one businessman last week. He told me, this call I just answered now is because of my children. They are in school, and one of them, the school fees is 1,650,000 for one of them. So he has like three of them in that school, and he's going to calculate 1,650,000 times 3 for each of them. Okay, so based on this video, I happen to take a tour to the city of Ibadan. I visit G Farms Limited. This is not an advice or advert, rather. This is not a paid advert video, but I am making this video based on my observation and also educate our youth. There are a lot to do to make money legitimately. This is a business that I've asked questions, done my feasibility study, call it measurement and evaluation, and I discovered that this business can give you 200 to 300% return of investment for every 3 months. And this is a business that you can turn over 4 times a year. That means each quarter you are doing it. And what is this business all about? Is the chicken business, the poultry business. Okay, each of these carton you are seeing contain about 55 birds, 55 day olds, and each of those day old costs 550 naira. So if you times 55 times 550 naira, you are getting about 30,250. So let's say you don't have much money and you want to start more. You start with 2 cartons and you are running with 60 something thousand, 60,500. Okay, 60,500. You get 2 bags of feed. One bag of starter is 45,000 and one bag of grower is 50,000. You get these 2 bags plus and minus, you are still below 200,000. Your capital, you are still below 200,000, and by the time you start feeding them with a starter, they will eat two custard bucket in a week. For the 110 pieces of this chicken, they will eat. The water you will give them is the conventional water every other person drink, and you get some medication that you put inside the water to make it healthy for them. So this is a business that by the time they finish eating, for the first 1 month the starter, the second month the grower, and the third month you give them the layers, they will lay eggs for you. You will sell the eggs and also sell the chicken, sell the birds themselves. So this is a business that you don't lose. But the only thing is that it's not popular. A majority of people don't know about it. Everybody eats chicken. People eat chicken on daily basis, but they have never sat down to ask themselves, how do we get here? It's when you ask questions that solution will start popping out. Okay, chicken business, poultry business is a nice one. Agro sector is the next oil money. If you have 200,000, if you have 100,000, if you have 150 or more, you can start up. Even we are in the month of October, you can start up now, and by December you will sell it. Let's say you just do for a carton, and you do for a carton for 30,250, buy a starter and feeder and everything. By the time you are selling by December, you are not, in fact, you sell it so cheap. You sold for 5,000 naira per one. If you sell for 5,000 naira per chicken and times it by 55, you are making about 275,000 naira. 275,000 naira. So you will see that the return on investment is bigger, 200 or 300% bigger than the initial capital. So stay blessed and think about this. This is a lucrative business that can give you your money quarterly, and you can do it with or without assistance of anybody. So give it a thought, and if you want to buy the bed, check on the video here. You will see the details and the number to contact Chi Farms Limited in Ibadan. They can supply you nationwide, and you'll get your bed, grown them, and sell them and make your money. Thank you for staying thought far. Stay blessed and see you on my next video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and share so that other young people will see what it means to be hardworking and to make their money legitimately. Thank you and stay blessed. Signing out for now. Bye.